Imagine a land where volcanoes breathe smoke into the sky, islands float like emeralds in turquoise waters, and ancient cultures still whisper through temples and traditions. Welcome to Indonesia, the world's largest archipelago, home to over 17,000 islands, each with its own story. In 2025, this Southeast Asian gem continues to capture travelers' imaginations like never before. Today, we count down the 10 most incredible places in Indonesia, a journey through landscapes so surreal they feel like dreams, captured in 4K from the ground and sky. So fasten your seatbelt, open your heart to wonder, and let's begin. Number 10. Mount Bromo. Our journey begins with a landscape forged in fire. Mount Bromo, one of the most iconic volcanoes in Indonesia. At sunrise, the scene looks almost otherworldly. From the drone's eye view, a sea of mist blankets the vast caldera, while the volcano's crater smolders with quiet power. It's a place that reminds us how alive the Earth truly is. Mount Bromo isn't just about raw geology, it's about culture too. The Tenggirese people, who live in the surrounding highlands, have honored this volcano for centuries. Every year, during the Yadnya Kasada festival, they climb the mountain slopes to offer vegetables, livestock, and even money into the crater, gifts to appease the gods who dwell within. Watching their rituals unfold against the backdrop of this dramatic landscape is like stepping into a living legend. For travelers, standing at the edge of the crater as the sun paints the horizon in orange and pink is an unforgettable moment. The echo of the earth, the smell of sulfur, the sound of the wind, it's an experience that imprints itself deep into your memory. Mount Bromo isn't just a mountain, it's a reminder of the delicate dance between people and nature, destruction and renewal. Number 8. Tanjung Puting National Park. Deep in the heart of central Kalimantan, on the island of Borneo, lies one of Indonesia's most magical treasures, Tanjung Puting National Park. From the air, the park looks like an endless carpet of emerald green, stretching as far as the horizon. But hidden within this dense rainforest lives one of the planet's most fascinating creatures, the orangutan. Tanjung Puting is world famous for its conservation efforts, particularly at Camp Liki, a research station where orangutans are studied and rehabilitated before returning to the wild. Watching these great apes move through the canopy, their long arms swinging effortlessly from branch to branch, feels like witnessing a distant relative in their natural home. Their curious eyes, almost human in their depth, remind us of the fragile connection we share with nature. Travelers reach the park by cruising along the Sekonya River in a traditional wooden boat called a klotok. As the boat glides through the water, the jungle comes alive. Proboscis monkeys leap from trees, hornbills soar above, and the occasional crocodile slips silently beneath the surface. When dusk falls, fireflies gather in the mangroves, their lights flickering like stars caught in the branches. But Tanjung Puting is not just about wildlife, it's a story of survival. The rainforest has been under threat from logging and palm oil plantations, yet the park stands as a symbol of resilience. Visitors who come here don't just see animals, they become part of a movement to protect one of Earth's last wild frontiers. In 2025, Tanjung Puting remains a place where wonder and responsibility intertwine, a a sanctuary where the future of the forest is written every day.
Number 7. Raja Ampat. Far to the east, where the Pacific meets Indonesia, lies a place so beautiful it feels almost unreal. Raja Ampat, the crown jewel of West Papua. Its name means four kings, referring to the four main islands, but from above it looks like a scattered paradise. Over 1,500 tiny islets rising from turquoise waters, each covered in lush jungle. What makes Raja Ampat extraordinary is what lies beneath the waves. Scientists call it the heart of the coral triangle, the most biodiverse marine ecosystem on Earth. Diving here is like entering another universe. Vibrant coral reefs, manta rays gliding gracefully, schools of fish shimmering like liquid rainbows, and even elusive creatures like the walking shark. It's no wonder marine biologists say this region holds secrets still undiscovered. But Raja Ampat isn't just for divers. From drone views, you see lagoons of surreal blues and greens, limestone cliffs carved by time, and hidden beaches where footprints are rare. One of the most iconic sights is Wayag Island, with its cluster of karst formations rising dramatically from the sea. Climbing to the viewpoint feels like ascending into a dream, rewarded with one of the most breathtaking panoramas in Indonesia. Culturally, Raja Ampat is home to indigenous Papuan communities who live in harmony with the sea. Traditional wooden boats, fishing by hand, and dances performed at festivals all reflect a deep connection to the ocean. Visiting here is not just about admiring beauty, but about honoring the people who protect it. In 2025, Raja Ampat continues to be a frontier of untouched wonder, a reminder that our planet still holds places where nature reigns supreme and where every sunrise feels like the first day of the world. Number 6. Bandung. Nestled in the cool highlands of West Java, Bandung is often called the Paris of Java, a city where creativity, history, and nature flow together. From above, the city is surrounded by green volcanic ridges and rolling tea plantations, creating a refreshing contrast to Indonesia's bustling urban centers. Bandung is famous for its colonial-era architecture, Art Deco buildings, and lively street culture. Walking its avenues, you'll find trendy cafes, local fashion outlets, and a thriving creative scene that gives the city its youthful energy. But just a short drive away, the landscapes change dramatically. Hot springs bubble at Chiata, Kawaputi glows with its surreal turquoise crater lake, and terraced farms climb the hillsides like green stairways to the sky. The city is also a culinary paradise. From steaming bowls of mie kocok to street-side satay, Bandung is a feast for both locals and travelers. In 2025, it continues to shine as a city that balances tradition with innovation, where natural wonders and human creativity meet in harmony. Number 5. Jakarta. Indonesia's capital, Jakarta is a city that never stands still. From the drone's perspective, skyscrapers rise over a sprawling metropolis, highways snake through neon-lit nights,
and the rhythm of more than 11 million people creates an energy that is unmistakably alive. Jakarta is often the first gateway for travelers, and while it's busy and chaotic, it holds stories that reflect the entire nation. The national monument towers proudly in Merdeka Square, symbolizing Indonesia's independence. In the old town of Kota Tua, Dutch colonial buildings whisper of centuries past, while nearby markets pulse with modern life. But Jakarta isn't just history and high-rises, it's culture. The city is a melting pot where Javanese, Betawi, Chinese, and countless other traditions mix, reflected in its music, art, and especially its food. Street vendors serve everything from spicy nasi goreng to sweet martabak, each dish telling its own story. In 2025, Jakarta is more than just Indonesia's capital. It's the heartbeat of the archipelago, where the country's history, diversity, and future converge in one unstoppable rhythm. Number 4. Lombok and the Gili Islands. Across the strait from Bali lies Lombok, with Number 3. Komodo National Park. Few places on Earth feel as raw and primeval as Komodo National Park. From the air, the islands appear like painting the hills in gold. The scene feels almost unreal, like a painting too perfect to exist. Komodo is also a lesson in balance between conservation and exploration. The dragons are protected, the reefs carefully managed, and the islands preserved so future generations can still feel the thrill of this wild frontier. In 2025, Komodo National Park remains one of Indonesia's crown jewels, a place where ancient myths and natural wonders meet, leaving every traveler with the sense that they've stepped into a world forgotten by time. Number 2. Yogyakarta. At the heart of Java lies Yogyakarta, a city where history, art, and spirituality intertwine like threads in a masterpiece. From the drone's view, you see sprawling city streets framed by green rice fields, with the distant silhouette of Mount Merapi looming like a watchful guardian. Known as the cultural soul of Indonesia, Yogyakarta is where the past feels alive in every corner. The city is home to Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple. At sunrise, mist floats between its stone stupas, and the sun breaks over the horizon, bathing the ancient reliefs in golden light. Just nearby stands Prambanan, a towering Hindu temple complex, its spires reaching to the sky as if in conversation with the gods. These UNESCO sites aren't just monuments, they're living reminders of Indonesia's layered spiritual history. But Yogyakarta isn't only temples. Its bustling alun-alun squares, lively art markets, and traditional batik workshops reveal a city deeply rooted in creativity. Street food stalls sizzle late into the night, serving gudeg, a sweet jackfruit dish that defines Jogja's flavors. And behind it all stands the Sultan's Palace, where traditions and royal rituals still endure. In 2025, Yogyakarta remains Indonesia's cultural heartbeat, a city that bridges past and present, inviting travelers to not just see, but feel the essence of Java.
Number 1. Bali. Finally, we arrive at the crown jewel, Bali, the island of the gods. Few places on Earth capture the imagination like this one. From above, Bali is a dreamscape. Terraced rice paddies cascading like emerald staircases, volcanoes piercing the clouds, and coastlines where waves crash endlessly against black sand beaches. Bali is more than scenery, it's spirit. In every village, stone temples rise amid daily offerings of flowers and incense, reminding visitors that this is an island where the divine feels close. Traditional dances tell ancient stories under the flicker of torchlight, while ceremonies fill the air with color, sound, and devotion. For travelers, Bali is many worlds in one. Ubud is the island's cultural heart, a haven of art, yoga, and jungle retreats. The south offers beaches like Uluwatu and Seminyak, where surfers chase waves by day and lanterns glow by night. In the north, waterfalls tumble through hidden forests, while the east reveals the majestic Mount Agung, sacred to the Balinese people. What makes Bali timeless is its balance, the harmony of nature, culture, and community. In 2025, it continues to captivate the world not just as a destination, but as a feeling, a place where beauty and spirituality converge, leaving travelers forever changed. As the sun sets on our journey across Indonesia, one thing becomes clear. This country isn't just a destination, it's a universe of its own. From fiery volcanoes to hidden coral kingdoms, from ancient temples to islands that feel like paradise, Indonesia is a place that never stops surprising you. Maybe you felt the call of adventure at Komodo, or the peace of the Gilis, or the spiritual heartbeat of Bali. Wherever your heart landed, one thing's for sure, these places aren't just spots on a map, they're experiences that stay with you long after the journey ends. So tell me, if you had to pick just one, which corner of Indonesia would you explore first? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to know. And if this journey lit a spark of wanderlust in you, make sure you're with us for the next adventure. There's a whole world out there waiting to be seen, one breathtaking story at a time. Until then, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.